For years, Guyana and Venezuela have been trying to resolve a border controversy wherein Venezuela claims about two-thirds of Guyana, that is, the entire Essequibo region and the exclusive economic zone offshore. After bilateral talks failed, the matter has been referred to the International Court of Justice, where Guyana hopes it can get a final binding judgment that indeed the Essequibo region belongs to Guyana. But Venezuela will next month hold a referendum, essentially asking its citizens whether they support much of Venezuela's decisions in relation to Guyana's Essequibo region. Guyana is asking the World Court to block this. Greenidge, the advisor on borders and Guyana's co-agent in the border case against Venezuela, told reporters why Guyana wants it to be blocked.
In normal circumstances, one couldn't give a hoot what another country decides to do by way of a referendum. But a referendum is a little bit like the exercise of freedom. Your right to do and say things ends very close to me if the exercise of those rights affect me. And what you are looking at here, particularly in relations to questions 1, 3, and 5, are efforts on the part of the Venezuelan government to have its electorate pronounce on matters that have to do with both with treaties, with the work of the court, and with the well-being of Guyanese.
But why does the ICJ need to intervene?
The court is being asked not so much to stop them having a referendum, but to ensure that they know and to ensure that the referendum doesn't have provisions which give the Venezuelan public the mistaken belief that they have the right to decide on other citizens' fate, citizens outside of the borders of Venezuela, in defiance of world opinion, in defiance of world practice, and in defiance of the obligations that Venezuela has as a signatory to agreements that still exist.
If Venezuela still goes ahead with that referendum, Mr. Greenidge said it would be up to the World Court to decide how best it can uphold the rule of law. Reporting for the newsroom, Vishani Raghaber.